Here is the location of this amazing 3-bed with possibly an extension as well, ground floor apartment. And here we are. So for those who know the area, Lembech, Anglos Beach, it is there. This is the beautiful wild ocean with Surf Point right in front of us, leading round to Shell Cemetery Beach and Buddha Beach Hotel and the new Serena Bay development, but not the road to it at the end there. The road to it is actually 3 rows back from here. So it's this ground floor, fully accessible, and a clue about the size is the length of the wall there. Very easy, maybe 9-minute walk into the centre of Santa Maria, 2-minute walk to the swimming beach, and views that are to die for. Absolutely glorious.